Hi, I'm Eeshaan Paithankar and I'm an IB Year 1 student at GIIS. I moved to Singapore from India in 2024 and I was deciding between the IB and A-levels. Both are academically rigorous, but I wanted to choose the best fit for my future goals. After visiting GIIS and learning more about the IB diploma program, I realized it really aligned with my future goals of making my profession in the culinary arts field. GIIS offers a choice of subjects like environmental systems societies, visual arts, and business management, which were exactly the subjects I was looking for. I'm also part of the culinary club here, which gives me hands-on experience and helps me enhance my portfolio. So, when I first started the IB curriculum, the most difficult part for me was adjusting to how structured and reflective the curriculum is. I wasn't used to breaking down my thought process for every task, and it felt a bit overwhelming at first. It took some time to get used to the level of planning, documentation, and reflection required in the IB curriculum. At first, it felt like a lot of extra work, but once I got the hang of it, I realized that it actually helps me stay more organized and focused and manage my time more productively.